always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. Did you see that? Monkey was chasing 3 Wigglebugs. 1, 2, 3. 3 Wigglebugs. Let's count together.
1, 2, 3.
3 Wigglebugs. 3 is a number. Say 3.
3.
That's exactly right. Let's make 3 our number of the day.
Let's count together.
3.
There are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3.
How many apples in all?
3.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 3. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 3 times. Clap 3 times. Nod 3 times. Point 3 times. March 3 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Yay! Let's count together. 3. There are 3 Wigglebugs. 1, 2, 3. How many Wigglebugs in all? 3. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese. helping me take that picture.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Small Bird's Big Adventure. Small Bird lives with a giant. See if you can guess who the giant really is. Let's see what happens. Let's begin. Small Bird's Big Adventure. Written by Nick Mulgrew. Illustrated by Wesley Van Eden. Designed by Jennifer Jacobs. Small Bird was a small bird. He was very small and very birdy. Small Bird lived in a beautiful house with the giant. Small Bird loved the giant very much. She was a kind giant. She gave Small Bird lots of toys. Small Bird was sad when the giant wasn't around, so one day Small Bird went to find the giant. Small Bird flew up and up until he could see the whole world. He wanted to find the giant. Where would he land? Small Bird landed in a huge forest filled with trees and flowers and treasure. Small Bird loved playing with the shiny jewels. But where was the giant? Small Bird walked into a vast field of snow. The snow was white and soft. Small Bird loved rolling around on the cool ground. But where was the giant? This time, Small Bird flew even higher into the sky. He flew among the stars and galaxies. He saw the moon. He saw a comet. But where was the giant? From way up high, with his sharp, birdie eyes, Small Bird saw something. What could it be? Small Bird dived down, down, down. Where would he land? Small Bird landed right in the giant's hands. He was so happy to see her. "I love you, giant," he shrieked. The giant held Small Bird close to her. "I love you too," the giant said. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It.
We don't know that song.
Ah, you don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Now, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray!
Now let's do all three.
If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Hooray!
If you're happy and you know
face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! That was splendid.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
E!
What's this letter?
F!
What's this letter?
L!
What's this letter?
T!
Now let's do it fast.
E! F! L! T! F! T! L! E! T! E! L! F! L! F! E! T!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter T! Look what I see! A butterfly! Let's watch it flutter! Hello, little butterfly. Hey, monkey, cut that out.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Oh yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin